This case study is on the Boutique Marketing Corporation, which is a study in appreciative inquiry that is about recognizing the people within the organization, bringing out their best strengths, attention, attention. Boutique marketing has issues. We have a brief summary of what is going on. Boutique marketing is a 10-year-old marketing corporation that has a great base of talent, which are their marketers. They send out emails, they work with famous companies. The issue is that other marketing companies are poaching boutiques' workers. Now, an explanation of the method used to diagnose and address this problem is that boutique marketing hired some people, consultants, to help them. So they collected data, they took surveys trying to figure out what was wrong within the organization. The solution that they implemented included such things as answering survey questions, finding out about employee issues and problems, and trying to address those issues. They really wanted to bring in societal change within the company. They wanted employees to contribute to the vision. The intervention really did help. Even though they had to lay off a couple people, they did end up hiring people whose vision more aligned with boutique marketing. Some of the lessons learned were that the owners of boutique marketing needed to slow down and trust the process of human performance improvement. What I learned from this case study is that you need to take your time and trust the process. Okay, we have to analyze the current situation. We're going to be figuring out options. Then we're going to be pulling in all the stakeholders. We're going to be pulling in senior leaders and people entry level to the organization. Then what we're going to be doing is monitoring and pulling evaluations consistently, going back, pulling evaluations, and then meeting the needs of the organization to make sure that the performance occurs. The human performance issue within my case study for Module 1 deals with the people within the organization. We have a group of marketers who are very skilled. Therefore, they began being poached by other companies, and that was causing issues for boutique marketing.